Hey space enthusiasts, welcome back! Today we're diving into a thrilling and slightly nerve-wracking cosmic event that could happen in less than a decade. Get ready to hear about a massive asteroid with a city killer nickname, but don't worry, there's a twist. Back in December 2024, astronomers spotted an asteroid about 60 meters across, named 2024 YR4. It initially triggered alarm bells because its trajectory suggested a small, yet real chance of striking Earth. That worried scientists since an impact of that size could level a city. Think blasts of several megatons, comparable to a large nuclear explosion. Fast forward to the latest observations, and the good news is, it's no longer expected to hit Earth. Instead, its orbit now suggests a roughly 4.3% chance of crashing into the Moon on December 22, 2032. So why does a lunar impact matter? When this asteroid smashes into the Moon, it could create a massive crater up to a kilometer wide, with an explosive energy equivalent to several megatons. That blast would eject tons of lunar rock up into space. In simulations, some of that debris, maybe around 10%, could be pulled toward Earth by our gravity. For people on the ground, the smaller fragments would burn up harmlessly in the atmosphere, potentially creating an amazing meteor shower. But up in orbit, that debris could spell trouble. Tiny particles, some might impact satellites, causing damage to sensitive components like antennas, sensors, or cooling systems. In fact, satellite operations could see a decade's worth of cumulative damage in just a matter of days. This risk isn't just theoretical. Studies show that debris from the Moon could flood Earth orbit at speeds of tens of thousands of miles per hour, basically acting like tiny cosmic bullets. With thousands of satellites already in low Earth orbit, the potential for widespread disruption to communication, navigation, weather monitoring, and even lunar missions is real. And it's not just satellites at risk. Missions like NASA's Lunar Gateway Station, Artemis landers, rovers, even astronauts near the Moon could be exposed to dangerous millimeter to centimeter sized fragments. A small piece hitting a spacesuit or rover could have serious consequences. So, what are scientists suggesting? First, this incident highlights the need to consider planetary defense not just for Earth, but for our nearest neighbor too. That could involve early detection, trajectory adjustments, and new shielding strategies. The asteroid is still being observed and will become visible again in 2028, an opportunity to refine impact odds and plan ahead. We also have some tech on our side. NASA successfully tested the DART mission in 2022, proving we can tweak an asteroid's path. But dealing with a lunar impact brings new challenges and questions. Should we attempt to nudge away not just from Earth, but also to protect the Moon and our orbital infrastructure? Bottom line, while there's no need to panic, this scenario reminds us how interconnected our space environment really is. An event on the Moon could ripple through Earth's orbital systems and change how we approach planetary protection. The clock's ticking. 2032 is closer than it seems. So our space agencies will need to stay sharp, creative, and collaborative. So, what do you think? Would you support missions to divert an asteroid heading for the Moon? How concerned are you about space debris and satellite safety in the coming decade? Let's talk about it in the comments. If you enjoyed this breakdown of space threats and planetary protection, smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell. There are more cosmic stories coming your way, and you won't want to miss them. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.